And we continue about the continuation of that words. And the creations were created, 24 elders for living creatures. They were created. That's why it was created by floor by floor. And after there are the spirit of judgment. There are floors as well, and there is an intermediate between that. It's like building premises. The building premises is like a place to relax in the heaven of heaven where you can play. There are two areas you can play. The first one is only for YAH and YAHOSHUAH only, and YAHVAH if he wants. And secondly, it's for all creations. That is the place to relax, building premises where you can play to make the VSC fight. There are many things you can play. And after there are angels, many angels according to their category. And there is a place as well that it's just a creation in that place, but we don't enter about that. It's about like that, the citizens of the heaven of heaven. And when that is done, after that, YAH was created. YAH, you can see here, he's the last creation. Let me say that, how many are you? According to that, that is uncountable. But YAH is the last one. According to your opinion, that it's not YAH is the last one. Because YAH is really, he was really created particularly, that YAHVAH made him especially with the YAHOSHUAH. Because the YAHOSHUAH said and asked that, give me a younger brother. According to you, it's a younger brother, that for YAHOSHUAH, it's a friend. And YAH was given a special place under the heaven of heaven of YAHOSHUAH. Is it clear for you? That is the picture. YAH is not like everyone, that he is really special. And that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH make him as a messenger in the heaven of heaven, a messenger of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. And then if you say or ask, how many are you? We are two of us. But the others are really another creation. It's not like the creation of YAH and YAHOSHUAH. YAHOSHUAH was created by the words of that YAHVAH. That for YAH, it's a little bit like that, but from that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. For the creations in the heaven of heaven, they are created through YAHOSHUAH. That for YAH, it's from that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. That's why I told you, if there is a creation that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH really likes, it's YAH. They can't forsake, they can't exchange it, that they really like and really love, and they are so jealous with him because of the picture how he was created, a special creation that YAHOSHUAH asked to that YAHVAH. That's why his name is YAH, to bring the glory of that YAHVAH even in the heaven of heaven. That's why I tell you, I am a messenger. That's why those wicked, mindless devils really know YAH, because I destroyed them in the heaven of heaven. The book of Revelation, you can see that. It's YAH who did that. And you ask, how many are you? In the heaven of heaven, it's only YAH and YAHOSHUAH. How many brothers you are? Just two of us. 24 elders, 4 living creatures. They are not with us. They are creation who are created. Even YAH controlled them. YAH gave order to them. It's YAH who gives a message to them. I can control them. I truly tell you how that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH really love YAH. He is really special, and you are really blessed to see him. And the proof, you who are washed away from your sins, the devils, they are not happy with that. That you are happy. Because how? Because of the force of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH that they gave to YAH. Glory be to both of them. And because people are not washed away from their sins, so that people, when they pray, they don't care about God, because they cannot take anything. If you pray, what's your goal? You don't know that, but just to be with God, that is the goal. Is that right? Even you can always feel that you are sinners and God will never be with you. So a religion to do your foolishness, wrongdoings, like that. And that's why your foolishness is everywhere around the world. You deserve to be punished. That's why I have told you, be happy when you see YAH. Is it clear? So let's continue the words. Let's come back to your story, humans, that I have explained to you. I explained that last week. Why this world follow this way? Why must you fight? Why must you be struck and punished and suffered? First, because your foolishness. I truly gave you the authority to tell off Adam and Eve when you will arrive in the heaven of heaven and punish them, because both of them, they are saved. It's normal that they are saved because they were created, and we will not let them like that. That YAHVAH did not create that their descendants are really cursed. So even in the descendant of Adam and Eve, there are who are saved and who were lost. That is it. Is it clear for you? So let's continue the words. What are the words and how are the words? It's like this, the words. When the devils betrayed and they attacked you, humans, and when they attacked you and you betrayed, the spirits that were given to you, humans, those are already plain, that YAHVAH already gave it, that human spirit inside you. That is already told in the book of Revelation, already killed since the creation of this world. That is fake. The right one is the spirits who are saved. The spirits who are saved since the creation of this world, but they changed it into YAHOSHUAH has been killed since the creation of this world. They really changed it. Let's read the wrong word. Revelation chapter 13 verse 8. This is the wrong one. All inhabitants of the earth will worship the beast, all whose names haven't been written in the Lamb's book of life, the Lamb who was slain from the creation of the world. They say that it's YAHOSHUAH who has been killed since the creation of this world. So who created? Because he has been killed since your creation. So who created? That's really wrong. Let's read it in French version and English version. It's really clear. Revelation chapter 13 verse 8. And all that dwell upon the earth shall worship him, whose names are not written in the book of life of the Lamb, whose names since the foundation of the world. There are names that those names are not in the book of life of the Lamb. So there are names since the creation of this world. Those names haven't been written in the book of life. That means there are spirits that they are not saved. They will not be saved. When Adam and Eve sinned, all spirits were condemned. Those spirits in the heaven of heaven. Once there is a baby in the tummy of the mother, the spirits goes down automatically. When there is a baby in the tummy of the mother, the human spirits from the heaven of heaven, to make you a human, there enters one human. Is it clear? And when that one spirit enters a human, that's why the spirit is already planned for you. That there was no many things were ongoing, those spirits were already planned. Since YAHOSHUAH created that there was the word, the spirits were created to enter human. Is that right? What is right? Because YAHOSHUAH created and he talked to his Father as well. I have told you that. It's Eliah and YAHOSHUAH who created you. I have explained that to you. That Eliah was always a friend of YAHOSHUAH. Like YAHOSHUAH is always beside that YAHVAH. And YAHOSHUAH and Eliah, they're always close. But Eliah, he's not spoken in the Bible. But Eliah just followed YAHOSHUAH because Eliah is not the creator. And that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH, they both talked when there is a creation. That's why he is a craftsman beside that YAHVAH. That YAHVAH gave the words and YAHOSHUAH executed. According to human, that YAHVAH is the mason and YAHOSHUAH is the helper. That is just an example, but it's not like that. But that YAHVAH says, you create this, and it's YAHOSHUAH who will do it. And both of them, they create. They don't do that to create like that. But imagine that YAHVAH said, and it exists. And their existence, that is from that YAHVAH, the force from that YAHVAH, and that force, that is Yahushua, because that is the words, that is the force, energy, power, and fire. Those are in Yahushua, the quality of that YAHVAH. Is it clear for you? That's why it's Yahushua who execute the creation. And when you were created people, it's Yahushua who asked that YAHVAH, make them like us. Us, those are Elia and Yahushua. Because I have told you, how is it possible that YAHVAH came on this planet Earth? What would he do here? Let me say it's the spirit of that YAHVAH. Yah is the spirit of that YAHVAH, not him. You have a spirit. The spirit can go. It's not him who goes. Do you understand that? And the seven spirits of God, those are another thing as well. This is the body of that YAHVAH, and there is the spirit as well. And that spirit can separate from him if he sent it, and the body stays there. Do you understand? Or don't you? Only him who knows that, both of them. Is it clear? And those seven spirits, they were from the world of the Holy Spirits, and he took it to be in front of him. That doesn't mean that YAHVAH equals the seven spirits. No. They were created, and that YAHVAH took it to be in front of them. And Yahushua can bring the seven spirits to work as well. But that YAHVAH has his own spirit. That's why the Bible said God is a spirit. It's like a human. You can see that it's really special. It's a force that you can see. You can, when you see him, you can see there is a human, that it's a force that is working. How can I explain that to you? For example, you can be with that YAHVAH. That is impossible. That is impossible. It's only Elia or Yahushua who can be with you. But if you are with Yahushua, it's always Elia. He is a burning fire. If you see, it's something like you can't close to him, that it will burn you. Even in the heaven of heaven, they know that you cannot close him. He is like a human. If you see him, that you don't know how to describe him. He is brown, like that. What kind of cloth looks like that? It's not a brown, it's like burgundy. It's not really burgundy, a light burgundy. It's like this, that my face has already affected by the wind and the sun shines. It's not purple, it's not burgundy, it's not maroon. We don't know how to describe that. It's like that, how you can see his face, that within the brilliant light. That's why you cannot describe well the color, because it's really brilliant It's like something, how is that? For example, when the sun shines on the asphalt road, and there is a shimmering on the asphalt road, and it's like that around the color, and we cannot describe the color. But what John says, it's just like that. How he could describe that, because within that shimmering, it's really hard to describe it because of the fire, that force, really lightning, burning fire. We can really say how to say that. I wish you to arrive there. It's like that. It's like this notebook of moral. It's like that if we looked at him. A light maroon and a light burgundy, and we can say it like a maroon light and pink light pink. It's like that. For you is really something else. It's not like that. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. The color that really looks like him is the color chrysolite. Let me show you that color chrysolite. Those who are at the front, they can see, that behind they cannot see. Don't be angry. It's like this. It's like this. I don't know if you have seen this. Can you see? Can't you see? It's like this. It's not really like this. A little bit like this. You can watch it. Can you see? And who can't see? Can you see? I have looked at you. Okay, it's a little bit like this. A little bit like this. But because of the Brian thing, and it looks like they are mixing with fire, and when you looked at it, now no one haven't seen that YAHVAH directly like that. It's only YAHOSHUAH and Elia. Even I don't remember anymore, but if I remember, I don't like you. Elia doesn't like humans, but he was taught to love humans. That Elia is really like that YAHVAH, he doesn't like humans. We always repeat that again. So that is it. I wish you to arrive in S. And you will see when you will arrive there. Is it clear? And let's continue the words. And those spirits, they asked, say that we are there because of this picture. And that YAHVAH was really angry when he saw that the devils who betrayed him in the heaven of heaven. And after that, because those wicked mindless, they really knew that YAHOSHUAH really loves you. And they went down attacking you. And at that time, the heaven of heaven was not closed. The gate that after the devil were kicked out of the heaven of heaven, the gate is closed. That's why there is the small barrier and the big barrier. That is it. Is it clear for you? That's why the barriers that keeps the creation below where the devils are to come up there. Melchizedek, they live on the planet K, where Melchizedek are. The line K, they are between the two barriers. No one can go there because it's a field where the creations who did not betray. The line of the planet K, there are Melchizedek. It's only Melchizedek that you can see that there are many. Those who are on the planet Melchizedek. But I have told you that there are many. I have given you those names, the names of the planet in the line K. If we say that they're in the line K, it's like that. How can I teach you? This is the small barrier and the big barrier, and above the small barrier, the devils and the humans, and between the small barrier and the big barrier, there are lines of K, and there are many different planets, and all creations who did not betray, they live there. All who live there, they are K. Is it clear? And there you can see Melchizedek, that Abraham gave his tenth to him. It's a long story that we forget that. That is not our lesson for today. And when humans came down, because of the spirits who came down, and those wicked, mindless, they killed. And that Yahweh was really angry, and all spirits were cursed. All human spirits, they were cursed. And that's why the spirits really called YAHOSHUAH. All of them looked at YAHOSHUAH and they called YAHOSHUAH, because YAHOSHUAH who created them, that is not from that Yahweh, but it's from YAHOSHUAH. And they looked at YAHOSHUAH and they cried out, "Save, save, save." Is it clear? And when they cried out, YAHOSHUAH looked at the spirit, and it's really true how they asked, because it's really YAHOSHUAH who created them, that they were created as Eliah's image. When YAHOSHUAH took an image, it's the image of Eliah. You are a human. You were made a human. The prototype is Eliah. That picture is the picture from the heaven of heaven, because it was like a game. Let's play a game. When children see a clay soul, they build humans like, because it was in YAHOSHUAH, the picture YAHOSHUAH liked playing. And Eliah and YAHOSHUAH, they're one. If it's like Eliah, it's like YAHOSHUAH, and it's like that Yahweh. The picture was like them, and the YAHOSHUAH, he asked that Yahweh to give the brave to them so that they will become a human, and he gave, and you become a human. That's why you return to dust, and everything is created by that. And there are animals as well, and those animals, those are created automatically. Even in the sea, that humans, they are the last. But I mean that there are before humans and there are after humans. Even after humans, there are animals that they are created. It depends on the situation. That you humans, you are really special, and you are created to live on this planet Earth. And those spirits, when you betrayed, they call that Yahushua saved us. And after that, Yahushua ran to that YAHVAH. That YAHVAH was really angry because he is really angry at humans who went against his words, and angry with the devil who betrayed his word as well. Like that YAHVAH who said, don't enter this, that you still do it. It's like the parents who still gave the smartphones to children. It's really the same picture. At the moment they post on Facebook, don't give smartphones to your children. Even Elia has told you that long time ago. Why didn't you listen to me? But if it's a human who said, then you listen to. Obviously, the way to go to us is really difficult for you. Haven't I told you, always follow the words, even you are really blessed to see me, that you underestimated my words, that humans who did not know the words of Elia and they speak up, be careful with the smartphones to your children, that I have told you that don't give smartphones to your children. Don't let your children watch cartoons. Limit that. But it depends on you. It's just a parenthesis that I have told you. The words that Elia has spoken to you that exist. Is that right? Yeah, you said it's right, so keep it. Okay, let's continue the words. How to continue it? When the spirits were destroyed, and the Yahushua asked and called that YAHVAH, save them dead. And for that YAHVAH, there is no solution. That the devils, they're really busted. That the devils underestimated that YAHVAH, they could sabotage the thing that the Son of Beloved Father YAH YAHVAH really loves. Destroy them and they are lost, because they really know when someone betrayed that YAHVAH destroyed them. That's what I have explained to you, that YAHVAH doesn't care of you. But for that YAHVAH, destroy them and create a new one. That YAHVAH and Yahushua, they have the same behavior. Because I really love him and I follow his words. If he really loves to save you, and I love it too. But if it's not like that, I don't love you. But if you are asking about my dad doesn't like you. Because when there's something happening in the Holy Kingdom, he always say to Yahushua, is it like this how you sacrificed yourself? Until now, he said that when there is wrong thing in the Holy Kingdom, he always say that to Yahushua. Is it like this? How you sacrificed yourself? It's really so sad. Don't think it's just ongoing like that. No. That's why Elia really fights so hard for you. If you do wrong things, that's not good. Because we are here to fight for Yahushua, and what is happening here? You do something against Yahushua. That is not good for us. So listen to the picture. Since you sinned for that YAHVAH, destroy them. That is Job chapter 25 verse 4 and 6. According to that YAHVAH, you are a worm and maggot. Nothing can be taken from you. Destroy them. How to save maggot, worm? How many of you can save worm and maggot? But you're saved. That's why Don't boast in front of us. That's not good for us. Thank if we love you. Thank if we help you and saved you. But you should cajole us at the maximum. That's why I've told you, we don't like staying here. We don't need here. It's really the worst. About the fireworks that people do, we watch that. That it's like ice water. We saw that. Because when you enter the gate of the heaven of heaven, there are great fireworks. For example, Presbyterians is dead. He entered the heaven of heaven and he saw everything what I have told here. Once you enter the gate of the heaven of heaven, it's the fireworks that will welcome you wherever, whoever enters. That means you enter the heaven of heaven and you will be welcomed with the great happiness. And humans imitate that. How can you know that humans, but it's the devils who know that there and they taught to humans. But if the devils did not give you a knowledge, even the smartphones, you don't know how to use it. They gave you technologies and they boast that they are really smart, those mindless wickedness, but they just imitated from that YAHVAH. That is not perfect, that they just boasted. They're really funny. For us, if that tool Yahushua gave us, we just open our palm and all images above up there will be shown here. And Yahushua said that if you open your hands like this, until the gate of the heaven of heaven, you can see. Give that to me, Yahushua. If I see that, the spell will be restored to me. I'll go and you stay here. But you cannot go with me. Only me who can do that. There are many mysteries about us. You don't know about us. That's why what the small things that you have taken, take it well. You really see that no one can escape from the words of YAH. The last recent news, Russia and NATO, they're going to strike each other, and I've told them, come on, fighting, no one can stop anymore. You fight each other. I truly tell you, it's just a parenthesis. Let's just forget it that. Let's continue our today's lesson about your spirit. And that YAHVAH was already angry, destroyed them. But that is Yahushua. Yahushua felt that you were created in our images, YAH and Yahushua. And Yahushua ran to that YAHVAH, Dad, don't destroy them. Save them, Dad. It's not because of them. It's me who created them and they are caught in this situation. It's you who are talked here. You, the small lambs of Yahushua. And all humans, it's like that your story. And Yahushua said that, forgive them. And Yahushua said that when you betrayed, it's really impossible you become a devil. But that YAHVAH accepted when Yahushua really begged for that. Give me a solution. That solution is from that YAHVAH. He talked with Yahushua because I have told you when you betrayed is the spirit who were killed. Even the life and the spirit, those come together within you that can't separate from you. That cannot be separated from you. So you, Yahushua, if you want to save those spirits to come back to you, you must save their life as well. Even the life that Yahweh has put inside your blood. So if you want to save the life, the spirit, you must save their life as well. And if you want to save their life, the life is within the blood, so there must be something to replace that. And if you want to do that, so you must shed your blood, because within your blood that there is the life to replace their life, and the spirit is saved. It's like that. Is it clear for you? That is in your book, but it's really long if we give you the chapter and verses about that. In Genesis chapter 6, verse 9, I don't remember, that the life is within the blood. And Yahushua said, I will do that. It's a long discussion. Will it do that? Will it save them? And Yahushua replied, yes, you will die, Yahushua. But Yahushua didn't accept until the end. That's why there is the words, no one has a great love like me, that I am going to die because of my friend. And you really see that those who are called friend, those who killed him, they are going to be saved. It's only Yahushua who did so. But if someone is going to die for someone else, it's for their lovers, their children, that who among you will accept to die because of your enemies? Give me the name. I will accept to die that you are my enemies. It's like, if I die, you should die to my family. Even Yahushua was dead for those who slandered him, those who killed him, those who hate him. Yahushua was dead for those people. Isn't that a love? That's why that Yahweh always said to him when something is happening, is it like that how you were dead? Think about what is happening to Yahushua. Especially if you, the smallest of Yahushua, who did wrong thing. That's why I'm really strict with you. Don't underestimate Yahushua. That is not really good for us. Yahushua just stopped us to not to do bad things, but we can do that. I truly tell you, that's why I tell you and I warn you, we must arrive in that position as my own personality, the really Elia from the heaven of heaven, that you will see with your eyes, the real Elia, that you cannot joke. That's why I have told you, don't do bad things to make Yahushua sad. It's like that. What happened to Yahushua when something wrong is happening, and that Yahweh came to tell Yahushua, is that how you were dead? It's really hurt to listen to that. When something is happening, look at what they are doing. It's something like that, how you were dead. And that's why I tell you, don't make Yahushua sad. You remember how Yahushua was dead for you. And don't be stubborn. You don't exist if it's not from him. Even you are blessed to be saved. You are with Elia to go to the heaven of heaven. Even you are really blessed to see this goodness. So don't be fooled. So let's continue the picture. The words really hurt Yahushua because of they begged. Yahushua didn't accept. But Yahushua said, let me save them. You already know the story. That YAHVAH said to Yahushua, you must go naturally, because the human you created, they are naturally. Because you will save someone who are natural, and you must go naturally as well. That is the problem, because you may say that show the authority and the power. You see, the challenge has been in the heaven of heaven. Follow the picture well. It has been in the heaven of heaven, the challenge. So it's really to attack and to underestimate sins in the heaven of heaven. If they did that picture in the heaven of heaven, you are not afraid. That's what it means. And you already showed that you are so powerful. They're already kicked out of the heaven of heaven. If they did not dare to come down on this planet Earth, the planet Earth already received the words, do not eat this fruit. There is the problem. Without that problem, it may be something else that is happening. That because of that words, the devils, they could challenge that word. Eat it. That was the problem. There are two words that contradict. The one from that YAHVAH, don't eat, and from the devil, eat. And for the devils, they defeat. The picture is really bad. I don't know if you understand. It's not for that YAHVAH who is powerful, that for the devils. It's really about challenging. So they are humans, the discussion. And it's really the devils who say that in the book of Eliah, in the book of Kings, they say that it's only on the mountains that they are powerful, but if they will go down in the valley, their gods are not powerful in the valley. And that YAHVAH said, bring them to the valley to fight, because they say that if only in the mountain, on the mountain that their God is so powerful. And that YAHVAH said, tell Israelians people, go down in the valley to fight, and tell them that the God of Abraham is always powerful wherever. And the Israelians went down there and they killed their enemies. That is the devils. They say that YAHVAH is powerful in the heaven of heaven, but on this planet Earth, he is not powerful. That is right. See this picture, what is happening. It's all of them who are boasting. Allah and Jesus, they're boasting, right? And Jehovah, don't Buddha, Ganesh, Brahma boast. Here in Madagascar, don't they boast those mountains around Madagascar? Those mountains that they do everything like that. Those idol worshippers of Madagascar, don't they boast? They said like their gods is the most powerful, because they see that they have defeated humans. Their words were powerful in humans, not the words of that YAHVAH. What does that mean? So, it must be ongoing on this planet Earth to show the force of the words of that YAHVAH, because they deceived humans. We must save humans. But humans, they don't know the force above up there. Do you understand? They did not use force to deceive humans. They just used words. So to destroy them as well is by the words. That's why I've told you, follow the words of Eliah. That is your solution. Your only solution. I don't know if you understand. The words of that YAHVAH say, don't eat this. The words of the devil said, eat this. Whose words defeated? The words of the devil won. Until now, no one listened to our words. No one is listening to the words of that Yahweh, and it's still the same picture. Those who listen to the voice of Yahushua will be saved, because the words of the devil reign here. So only those who listen to our voice, our words, will be saved. That is seen in Yahushua. That's why Yahushua said, those who listen to my words, they have the eternal life, but they will be moved from death to life, and they will have the eternal life. Yahushua already said that time has come that the dead will hear the voice of the Son of the Most High. Those who can hear, they will be alive again, because they have been moved from the death to life. It's the words of Yahushua can make you alive. It's the words of Yahushua, your salvation. And that's why Elias arrived here at this end, because Yahushua has done his work. So Elias is here to destroy the devils as well. How? Through the words, by the words. Because those wicked mindless, they did not use force, they did not use anything, and they have a bad mindset. And if the Yahweh will use force, those mindless wicked will laugh. How is it you use force? Why don't you use words? Because they say that they won with their words, because they won. They defeated the words of their Yahweh. Their picture is really bad. I don't know if you understand. That is really to underestimate their Yahweh. What is happening here? Understand that. Your mind. But you can't understand that. This picture is really an anger in the heaven of heaven. If we ask that Yahweh about the subject, the topic of humans, that increases his anger, because you did not listen to his words. You exchanged his words into devil's words. That's why that Yahweh is really angry with humans, because you did not listen to his words. You did not follow his word. Do you understand that? Because if about humans topic, he doesn't like that topic about humans. Because for him, really you underestimated him. That's why all spirits are condemned. Because it's really too much how you underestimated that Yahweh, and you underestimated that Yahweh through the devils, by the devils. That's why I told you it's really bad what you did. If you humans understood that, you protect yourself not to sin anymore. But no one understands that. Only those who are from us who can know that and understand that. But I truly tell you that Yahweh doesn't really like to hear topic about humans. It's only Yahushua who loves that. About 7 people. That's why I've told you, be happy if you arrived here. Be happy if your eyes have seen Elia. Be happy if you have heard our word. Make sure you will arrive in your Creator. That is Yahushua. Don't be fool. And the question, you deny and reject the words of life, and the devils really boasted after that until now. And they tried to kill Yahushua because they knew that they really tried every way to kill Yahushua. However, when Yahushua was dead, the death is defeated, and the words of Yahushua is the salvation, and those who follow the words of Yahushua, they are all saved. That's why you need the baptism. That is the signature. You will be with Yahushua. If you don't perform that baptism, you will never be saved, whatever you will do, because the baptism that says you will make a contract that you will destroy the devil, because devils made you separate from your God. You must do a contract as well with that Yahavah, that it can be done. And your contract go with Yahushua, with the signature that I sign, I will be with you, Yahushua, who saved me. And after that Yahavah will accept you to enter the heaven of heaven, and he will listen to you. That's why he said you must be holy to enter the heaven of heaven. That is the condition for you to enter the heaven of heaven, because the heaven of heaven, that is the place only holy creation who can enter there. That is really a long story. How can you be a holy man and woman? And the solution, you are given Holy Spirit. That, let's just set it aside, but it's particularly for Yahushua. Let's enter about that Yahavah. This is the big problem. For Yahushua, as I have explained to you, the anger of that Yahavah had been ongoing. That Yahavah was about to destroy you. Yahushua suddenly entered. Let me save humans. Do you understand? So this planet Earth has two different programs. First one, destruction, destroyed. That's why Yahushua ran quickly to that Yahavah, as I have explained to you. Yahushua already know when people betrayed him, they are destroyed as well, like the creations who betrayed that Yahavah in the heaven of heaven. And Yahushua ran to that Yahavah.